25th of February 1933. She was the daughter of Jose Coanco and Demetria Simula. She excelled in her studies and graduated with honors in elementary. She went to several schools in the state. When she went back to the Philippines, she went to Far Eastern University to study law. Years later, she got married to Benigno Aquino Jr. They were blessed with 5 children: Maria Elena, Aurora Corazon, Benigno Simeon III, Victoria Elisa, and Cristina Bernadette. Cory's husband, Ninoy, became a senator of the Philippines. He opposed President Marcos's government. The whole family was then exiled to Boston. It was only on 1980 when Ninoy went back to the Philippines, only to be assassinated on the tarmac leading to the Manila International Airport. After Ninoy's death, Cory and her children went back to the Philippines.
That is the Filipino flag.
Ferdinand Marcos called for a snap election, wherein Cory ran against him with the support of the Cardinal Sin.
I am the true winner. I have won the hearts of you, the people.
The People Power Revolution was a success, leading to Marcos stepping down from his office. But on August 1, 2009, Cory died of colon cancer.
Keeps on fighting. It keeps on. I got a heart that keeps on trying. It keeps on.